my name is Genevieve. I'm the sales director at Shoplifter, and I'm so glad that you're joining me today. In this episode, we're going to be sharing a little bit about shoppable recipes and how brands who don't potentially have high engagement on their existing owned media, or maybe don't even have existing owned media, can highlight their featured products in this saturated market. So how do you go about this? Well, consider what I had said in the previous episode, talking about capturing attention via digital device. Did you know that over 87% of consumers respond more to personalized messages? So I'm going to walk you through a scenario with a woman called Rebecca and share with you how you can capture her mind share through new innovative technology. So who is Rebecca? Well, she's in her mid-30s with 2 children under 10 with her husband. Their household income exceeds $100,000, and she lives in a suburban community in California. As an active and health-conscious mother, Rebecca leverages her digital devices to seek out recipes for her family. She's highly engaged online in her deal-seeking pursuits, and she primarily shops at natural food stores. So the magic happens through Shoplifter. We can geo-target Rebecca's device and then dynamically inject active trade promotion data featuring the retailer name and location and serve programmatically. Now on these ad panels, we can feature your products and we can also highlight recipes. So Rebecca is going to be enticed and inspired to click through on the recipe, where she's going to be brought to a hosted landing page by Shoplifter. She's brought to a clear, concise, and compelling landing page that hosts the shoppable recipe. Within it, there's a map module, all of the active trade promotions on the ingredients included within that radius. But brands can use this as like a mini website. Essentially, they can put on additional components like educational, link out to videos, include a product gallery, whatever your heart desires. Reduce the distractions and the clutter and get exactly the message you want in front of Rebecca. This is why it's called the Inspire platform. We're trying to inspire and engage these consumers to take action right away. And on the reporting end for the brand, Shoplifter can now track not only click-through rates, but also how long they engaged on the landing page and if they clicked out. You can use a multitude of creative variables. Remember, Rebecca is waiting to be inspired, and the Inspire platform can do just that. We look forward to sharing more insights and information about the industry and about Shoplifter in future videos to come. But for now, please like us on LinkedIn and follow us on YouTube for more content. Thanks so much, guys. See you next time.